Hello everyone, welcome to my Clean With Me Power Hour and how to clean your fabric sofa. I hope that you're all well and looking forward to Christmas. It's getting exciting, it's getting closer and closer. So I thought I would just do a quick clean with me. This is just the living room and dining room, and I really wanted to spruce the sofa up more than anything because obviously I have a fabric sofa. I do have 3 little dogs which are allowed on our sofa and chairs. I don't stop them from getting on the sofa. So I really wanted to give it a nice little deep clean so that when you sit on it, you get that lovely fresh smell of laundry. So just a little disclaimer, I'm not saying that this is the right way to clean a sofa. This is just the way that I like to clean my sofa. I do put my pillow slips, cushion covers, whatever you want to call them, and the seating covers into the washing machine on a 30-degree wash, and I've not had a problem with them. But I'm not saying that you should do the same with yours. You decide how you're going to clean them. You follow your manufacturer's instructions. I'm not too fussed on this sofa. I've never made it a secret. When January comes, I will be purchasing a new sofa because this is, 1, extremely uncomfortable, and 2, it is just not ideal when you've got pets and a family that are basically comfortable on a sofa. This may be okay in a room that never gets used, but obviously my room gets used an awful lot. There are 6 of us that live in this house, and you know, keeping this sofa in pristine condition has proven extremely hard. It sheds a lot, it bobbles a lot, and it's just not the nicest sofa to sit on. So I've got no problem at all throwing mine into the washing machine to give it a wash and get it all nice and fresh and clean. And then in this brown amber bottle that I purchased from Amazon, I've made my own linen spray which smells lovely of fresh laundry, and it really did give that extra little bit of freshness to the covers and the cushion covers and the seating covers. So I was really happy with that, and I'm just now going to stop rambling and put some lovely music on and hopefully motivate you to get your sofa nice and clean for Christmas and have a little clean through.
I've got a mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses are for one special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so wrapped up by his praise.
I thought I'd do a little close-up just to show you the amount of bobbles that actually are on this cushion, because I don't want to sound ungrateful. This sofa did cost us a lot of money, and unfortunately it's just not ideal when you are a busy working family and you've got pets. You know, this definitely is the type of sofa that just goes in a room that nobody sits in, and it's not the ideal sofa for us. So I had the choice of either getting a new car in January or getting a new sofa in January, and the sofa won. So I will be going sofa shopping in January.
Give me everything I want. I'm not sure he even knows my name, but that we will remedy. Right here by the Christmas tree is where I hold my breath to, but he won't know what hit him. See me standing there.
I highly recommend these Calm by Nature videos on YouTube. They are so relaxing. This one was the Christmas music from another room, and it was just relaxing ambient music, which is lovely to just listen and relax, or you can get your cleaning done, whatever it may be. It looks nice to sit and look at. As you can see, the picture is very pretty, but it's just a lovely background music with little noises. I absolutely love it. Highly recommend it. If you struggle to relax, Calm by Nature has some amazing videos to help you to relax and unwind.
Let this mistletoe moment give me everything I want.
I may have made that look really easy, but it was really hard and it took it out of me. Getting that cushion cover back on that foam on the sofa, it's one of the hardest things to do, but I done it. It's kind of twisted on the left side of the sofa, but you know what? After having the fight with it, I weren't bothered anymore. I was like, as long as it's back on, because my worst fear is the dogs being on the sofa, jumping off and catching one of their claws in that sponge. So I was glad to have it off. As you may have seen at the start of the video, I showed you the Swan dehumidifier. That was going on overnight because obviously the covers off my sofa can't go into the tumble dryer, and I don't put any clothes on the radiators or anything like that. So I balanced the cushion covers and the seating cover over the kitchen island, and I left the dehumidifier on all night, and when I woke up in the morning those items were bone dry. This is how, I know I go on about it all the time, but this is how amazing these dehumidifiers are for drying laundry and things that we just can't put in the tumble dryer. So I use the dehumidifier. I will link it in the description box down below for anybody who may be looking to purchase something like that. But they are not only used for drying laundry, they are used to get rid of condensation, mould and damp out of your home. So I don't know whether this video is going to be published before another video that I have done. I've done a full dedicated video on dehumidifiers and why you should use them in your home. So I'm not going to go on too much just in case that video has already launched before this one. However, I will link the dehumidifier in the description box down below for anybody who may want to purchase one.
To wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
I don't even know why I'm wasting my time fixing that tree skirt, because our peg will get right back underneath the Christmas tree and scruffy up all that tree skirt all over again. I'm going to spray the house with a little bit of the designer fragrances Fresh Linen, because the whole house smells like laundry because the sofas and chairs have been cleaned. So Fresh Laundry designer fragrances Blast Cans was definitely the cherry on top of the cake.
Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day.
Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland.
These are the Baltus reed diffusers from Taskers Online. They are huge. They're 300 mils and they smell absolutely amazing. This one is Ocean Breeze, my favourite in the whole range. I love this one, and I also like the Pure Silk, but they're currently on offer for £15 at Taskers. I will link it in the description box down below for anybody who may want to purchase one, but they do smell absolutely beautiful.
Beautiful too, could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for?
Coming at you today with all the gorgeous fragrances, aren't I? But these are the Molten Orange Sensationals wax melt from Georgia Asda. I think these were 3 packets for £5 when I purchased them. They smell lovely, very Christmassy and nice and fresh. I'm not going to say that they're amazing, but they do smell nice. The longevity is okay. I use the 8-hour wax melt, and I'd say it lasts for the 8 hours that it was on, but I'm always going to be fussy when it comes to wax melts because I made my own, and I've never to this day found any wax melts that smell like mine, and I've no longer got my kit to be able to make any, which I'm so sad about. But yeah, if you know any companies that sell wax melts that smell amazing. I'm not really a lover of candles. I have a loyalty to the brand DW Candles, which I purchase from TK Maxx and HomeSense. I'm very loyal to that brand. I like the way that their candles smell, and I'm not really a lover of a candle, I'm not going to lie. I don't specifically love to light one. I had Jo Malone candles that were probably around 3 or 4 years old that I just didn't love to burn. I'm not really a lover. I much prefer a wax melt. So if you know of any companies that sell beautiful wax melts that last for hours and hours, then please leave them in the description box down below for me, because I'll go along and make a purchase. And if they're great, obviously I will share them on my YouTube so that you can purchase some too and spread the love and support little small businesses. So yeah, if you do know of any wax melt companies, please leave them down below, because I would love to go along and purchase. That brings me to the end of my cleaning video. I really hope that this video has motivated you and it's given you some tips on how you can clean your fabric sofa. I hope that it's motivated you and got you in the mood. I hope that you're all organised for Christmas. Is everybody prepared? Have you been and done your Christmas shopping? I know with lockdown it's been really, really difficult. I've done a majority of mine online, and I've just got a few things to wrap and a few last minute purchases to make, and then obviously the food shop. But it's getting exciting. It's been a hard year to say the least, hasn't it? And let's take something positive from 2020, even if it's the smallest little thing. Leave me a comment down below and let me know something nice that has happened for you throughout 2020, so we can see some positivity rather than negativity. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a cheeky little thumbs up. It really does help my videos, and I will see you all in my next video. Have a fabulous day, everyone, and I'll see you soon.